Okay, the medicine company, 44.37, almost 30-cent spreads. Pretty insane here. SPY is gapped up as well. Break over 43 would be awesome. These kind of spreads don't know what to do. Let's start with 300 here. Okay, 42.90, not bad for a break for 40. Gotta give it some room though. $42.50. I'll sell 200 shares if it doesn't break here. Scroll out. There is a wall here. Yep, there's quite a wall there. At 43. There we go. Broke over 43. Let's come back a little bit. No signs of struggle just yet. This is a little big, to 25. There we go. Okay, selling some here because of this volume. $42.67. Struggling to hold here. Very close to 44 now. See if she breaks. Yep. Almost too easy. Going back a little bit. Okay, selling all. Come up 202. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna try to wake up now. Okay, CSC is nearing 69. And if I look here, I see a bunch of red candles. Gap close, I don't know, but it looks like it could go to 70-ish. Now it's touching there twice. It's far reaching. There's no wall, but it's also creating a bear flag, so I'm leaving this alone. Okay, may go long here over this consolidation. Well, I would like for it to dip before I do a complete reset. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until it completes a reset. Oh, it's only 2 candles though. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some here. 68.92. Partial stop, just in case it wants to come back. See, like, it tried really hard to break through the consolidation and it failed. It's trying really hard to come down and it's not either. Gotta be careful here, watching level 2. This could be its reset. Can buy some here. Have another stop down here. Let's see. 15, still 2 of them. Showing some signs of restriction. Looks like a curl down possibly on 5s. No, I mean 2s. So let's just call this consolidation and see if it breaks through. That's nice. It's creating a little really slim bull flag. This bull's on a diet. That's what it is. Just watch it punch up. Here we go. Punch on through. The bid is strong. It's trying a little bit here. Trying a little too hard. I don't like how the volume's increasing and it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna try again. Okay. It's starting to look bad for me. So I'm gonna move my stop up. Yep, there it goes. So tricky. I'm still gonna move my stop up. Watching level 2 here. Selling off. I'm not trusting this movement. It's just tried too hard here. Okay, I'm up 265. In case you guys are wondering, I don't look back. If I do, then it kind of messes with your mental state. You get pissed off because you missed something. It's just not my thing. I hold grudges. So I'm not going to look back and affect my performance, because it will. For some other people it may not. I can't handle it. So after trading I may want to look back, but still, I guess if anything, call it a superstition. But I don't believe in superstitions. It's bad luck. Let's move on. Okay, ConocoPhillips. I don't like oil plays, but this one's hitting these two moving averages, 20 and 50 at 49.87-ish. It's passing it up. I'm going to want to see this come back. $49.87. Mark it right there. Tried pretty hard to break that 50. I think SPY will try to break through this, but it did hit 229.01, so technically I already hit 229. But it's going to try again. I'm thinking this will go up to 229 and come back down, in which case ConocoPhillips will come down with it. That is what my crystal ball says. Okay, SPY is moving up, and this is holding. The bid is strong. Maybe a move up 1 point. No. No, it didn't. I'm shorting here. The high day stop. 36. Okay, it broke this base right here. I'm gonna have a 29. No, let's make it 2 minute. 32 is my next stop. I'll short some more once it goes down. Okay, we're at 229 here. Let's watch it fail. Oh, it didn't fail. But this is still holding. Okay, SPY sighting in its on its direction now. There we go, shorting some more here. And now I'm going to have a stop at 32. And I want this to go to 15, maybe right here. 1514, 1514 is my first stop. In which I'll buy 800, I guess. Watch SPY go down. Watching level 2. A little bit of restriction here, a lot of volume for it to go nowhere. Watch it reverse to go back down again. The 2-minute 90 MA is 15.15 at the moment. This is taking way too long. This could be a reset. So I'm buying all. I saw this bid right here. I don't like it. This could be a reset where it goes down a certain amount and then come back up. Okay, moving on. I'm up 305. Okay, here's a news play here. For over 13. There's chatter. So we don't know really why it's going to go or which way it's going to go. Here's a cup and handle. But this is new, so I'm not exactly sure which way it's going to go. But I may go long here. Yep, I'm going to go long here. And 33.50, there you go. Sell all. Too slow. Okay, I'm up 331. First red candle after a long whiles. 3-cent spread. High is 46.60. I risk $40, $50 here. Take it 1 minute underneath this area right here. If it goes, volume's low and it's moving up, so it's suggesting that it's not ready yet. We'll see. A lot of volume in this area. These two candles. And it's hitting the two moving averages. So I like that. It would be much better if it passed these two. So 46.59 is the 50 and it hit 46.50. The 20 is 46.41. Here on its fourth 15-minute candle. A lot of volume, but it's moving. No restriction just yet. Looks great. It's gonna break. Let's look at the daily again. So yeah, it just closed the gap here. 46.64, and that's where it's at right now. It just touched it, so this is the spot. May take this here. Yeah. I want it to go under 47 though. Because this thing is so strong. Watch for. Yep, okay. Shorting here. I want it to go. So 47.10 will make me sell half. Say 250, and then the rest at high day. See what happens here. It's not going. Okay, stopped out. Made it way too easy volume wise. Take a look again. 15's here. Looks like it should give me a red candle this time. Went up to here. What's this candle? 47.18, and it hit 47.16. Next up would be 47.82. It's quite some ways. So nope, I think this is it. I think I got punked here. So I'm gonna have maybe 17 at 550. No, let's do partial still. Do 300 here, and then the rest some ways. So slow down, man. I haven't even had a chance to finish. The stops are way too tight. That's basically what's happening here. When it goes, I'll be pretty disappointed. Oh well. This time, let's just go for the signal under 47. Okay, selling 1,000 here, shorting 1,000. I mean. Buying half of that order. No, I'll buy more than half. About 700 of that at 18. So my average is 47.04. 1 cent away. SPY cooperates, I can make money. Okay, so let's wait for it to go underneath 47, in which case I'll add. Yep, there we go. 46.73. Very nice. Hitting this little support area right here. Buying half. See if it goes all the way through. Yep. 46.74. Okay, I'm covered. Alright, so I'm up 480. SRCL. Shares down 4.5, attributing to move to amended complaint filed today in shareholders lawsuit. Historic, what? Doesn't care to even finish. Okay, so in this case, I usually look for a retrace. Here's a 2-minute retrace. It's touching that. Could come down from there, or I can continue on and touch the 5-minute, which is 74. I'll use those two as well as the Fibonacci retrace. So the move started here and ended here, and so it's touching the 33. If it passes the 1/2, there's a good chance that it may recover quite a bit. But if it touches the 1/2 and gets rejected, then that's a good sign it'll continue on downwards. 73.64. So I have mine set at, just say 73.72. This is a news play, so I mean, this lawsuit is not a rumor. Okay, touched the 1/2 there. Give it some room. 7-cent spread. Let's look at the daily here. We went down to here, which is like a perfect place to stop, but there's also lower at 71 that it didn't touch. Yeah. Is it getting rejected here? Let's get another candle below here. Another good sign is a curl down usually has to wait for the 5-minute to touch. Okay, now the spreads are pretty extreme. 15-cent spread. The 5 minutes getting closer and closer. Right now the 5 minutes have 74.09. Here's the curl down. Shorting some here. And I'm going to have a stop at 80. Yeah. At the moment I have a stop at 80. Let's see if it continues. SPY looks like it wants to come down here. I have to be careful here. It's creating a bull flag. Show you what I'm talking about here. Where's your boat? There it goes. Okay, buying out here. Okay, so I'm up 532, 533. So right before that bull flag was closed off. It went where it's supposed to go. Okay, EQR has a reversal candle. Yeah, it looks like it's about time there. So it looks good. I'll take 300 here. And my stop will be low day at 83. EQR, residential common shares, equity. Okay, SPY's moving down a little bit, just needs this to hold. The volume is pretty low for this one, so it may jump around a little bit. Ideally, break 60 would be an add. I'll add 200 there. Let's look at it again. Here we go. Didn't have a chance to add. Just going to add some here. Hopefully it's not too late. Oh, I think one more move would be in order, but it's already hitting the 5-minute. Watching level 2 here. Selling off. Okay, I'm up 586. Okay, Hertz Global. The 20 is 2150 here. It's touching that. 2151. And let's go to 15s here. Previous daily high was 2165. So it's 9 cents away. Now it's 4 cents away. Look at this candle here. It's crazy. A lot of volume, very little restriction. It's not ready yet. In fact, there looks to be some news right here. Somebody's talking about it. So let's see this one ride. 65, it's at 66 now. This one is 2170. And the next stop will be 22. Which at this moment doesn't look like a bad idea for 22. I just need the volume to ramp upwards, not decrease like it is right now. Not that it's a bad thing, but I don't like when stocks slowly step on their brakes. Okay, bear flag. Shorting some here, not exactly a great spot. We'll see. Just a gut feeling. Looks like it may be coming back for that 20 SMA. Let's watch it here. $21.60 for half. Yeah, it touched it. So mine's moving down nicely. Okay, that's good. I'm up 619. I'm gonna have to take a break now. My flu is kicking in again. Oh, MYOS. So many people want to get in, but you're just moving way too fast. Hopefully it does a dive down towards 4 again, or lower. Maybe even, I don't even know. Let's do a fib. Here to the top. Here. Bring it down to 385. I don't even know. I don't think that's gonna happen. Missing out on the fun here. Okay. It's gonna go again. $200 shares. Missing it. Okay. Got 225 shares here. At high a day. Okay, and so I'll just sell underneath this candle. In other words, it just has to go. If it doesn't, I'm out of luck. 225 shares. Let's buy here. Hopefully the wind blows back up. I don't see the news anywhere. go. Okay, I'm selling off. Okay, I'm up 6.55. Time for lunch. Okay, can't leave yet. Just pulling back again to 440. It's so close, the $5 magnet. But if it goes now, I may not jump through 5 so easily. Okay. Is it time? Yep. Okay. You stupid. Okay. Gotta break through 5 here. Messed up my chart here. Okay, there we go. Breaking through 5. A lot of effort here. Selling all. Okay, I'm up 6.95. Just too much effort here to break 5 here for me to just hold in with 200 shares. Okay, lunchtime. I said I wouldn't look back, but I'm closing it and I'm looking at this. Too much effort, so it's resorting back, and it should go all the way back. If you take a look at this, even on the 2-minute, it didn't reset yet. At least hit the 2-minute before you think about coming back up. And if you want a really strong move, I would go back to the 5 at 411 down here. So it'll be roughly around here. So it's hard to tell. It's a news play, so technicals don't work very well. But retracements can be somewhat predictable. Also with the Fibonacci, if you take that to the high here, you can see it struggle here and come here. If anything, it needs to go down here before it thinks about ramping back up. Go back down 1/3 of the entire move. If not, it's just going to keep struggling, pushing upwards, which is very rare, and you're fighting a losing battle, in my opinion. So yeah, here it goes. A lot of people agree with me at the moment, and it's going to come down roughly around here. But like I said, I don't look back, so I'm going to close this before I get sad. Okay, I'm looking at ALV here. Right now there's an 8-cent spread. Let's see, let's look at the daily. Major drop yesterday. 102.61 is a good stop. But it looks like it's trying to resist a little bit here. Let's look at the 15. Okay, volume's ramping. Volume's still ramping on 5s. Volume's ramping on 2s. This looks like a clean reversal, other than the spreads. Okay, so low day is 47. Okay, so we have like, I don't know, is it like 20 cents? Plus the 7, 30-cent spread. I'll go. I don't want to lose too much money here, so I'll start off with 200 shares. Not sure what happened right there. With only 400 shares traded that minute. Yesterday it took this many shares to reverse. Okay, so in this case, 12,000 shares would suggest a change in momentum. Right here it went down this way. Okay, so here comes some volume. Here it comes. Okay, I'm gonna buy some here. And because of the spreads, I'm gonna be out underneath 40-ish. So I got a pretty good entry at 51. That's cool. Low of day is 46. Okay, so SPY Should be moving up a little bit. Let's see what happens here. That looks good. If it moves over this base here, can't seem to. Okay, I'll add a little bit. I don't want this to turn back around, considering the amount of shares that I have. There should be another move up. The 2 minute 90 MA is 103.77. The 5 minute 90 MA is at 104, which will be pretty awesome. Checking level 2 here. SPY's moving up a little bit, and the bid is strong, so I'm not quite worried yet. I'm gonna put it at the low of yesterday's, the last 1 minute candle. Still looking okay. SPY's moving down. Just keep this volume down so it doesn't change on us. Yes, let's just hope SPY doesn't continue on downwards. It didn't take much for it to move down with the SPY going down. Okay, SPY's moving up. Let's see if this one moves up. Yep, a little bit. Still a little worried here. It's not moving like I want it to. Let's look at this. 15 suggests that it should go up. It hasn't triggered on 5s yet. The 5s is 103.78. The 2s have triggered. What was the 5s again? 103.78. Needs to break through this level. Uh-oh. Yeah, I can see why. There isn't really a clean daily resistance that I can find other than this right here. And this one is at 103.46.
GPN.
And it's at 103.43. This one will be 102.65. I'm afraid I probably just got punked out here. So I'm gonna watch it for one more move. Nice spreads here. I'm shorting some here. 78.80. It really looks like it needs to turn around. Uh-oh. What the fuck? What the hell is that all about? Motherfucker. Don't do that again. I'm trying to focus here. I think there's lag because I'm uploading a video at the moment. I thought I was going to be done today, but I'm not. Okay. Just going to keep going here. Okay, I got filled, covered a little bit there. I'm gonna take this on ones. Right now my average is pretty crappy, so. But with the 5-cent spread, I'm just a little bit more. Under 81. Okay. It's really working here. It's working hard. Look at that. Look at that volume. I don't think it will go to 79. Let's see what happens. That looks like the spot here. Ooh, good thing it wasn't. This is looking really nice. SPY is making a bear flag here. SPY should be coming down soon. Ooh, that's nice. Get some volume to break on through. Here we go. Showing some here. $79.04. They're still struggling. By 400, a little over high day. Hasn't decided if it wants to come down yet. Okay, SPY is going down now. Look at that volume. It's struggling. Running some more. Good. Perfect. Let's go. 78.55. Too much movement. It has to come down. 78.55 is touching the 2 right now, so it's struggling a little bit. 78.76. Yeah. But 78.55 is the number. 78.56 now. There's that SPY come down. SPY's not coming down. That bastard. There's no turning back now. No changing your mind. 5-minute 90 MA is 78.60. Watching level 2 here. It's not looking good for me, but I'm pretty convinced. Volume stays low. Trying to hold my breath here. Can't do it. I'm out. That sucks. Okay, ALV keeps going down. I'm looking at this right here, and I see a nice little area right here in the 102.60 area. That'll be a hard reversal. 102.62, but I'll take it in the 80s. A lot of volume right here, suggesting it wanting to come back. So we'll watch it. I like to see it go underneath 103, and it has down to 95, but that's not far enough. SPY is breaking through the support. Okay, it's moving. I'm in at 98. Over 103.04. It's my next entry. 200 shares. 102.80s. 102.77. That's pretty far away actually. What else are you gonna do? What can you do about that? Nothing. 102.78. Put out 102.76 at 200 shares. to sell. Okay, here we go again. Buying it. Fuck. Did I get it? Yeah, got it. Good. I'm gonna change my stop for full out at 102.80 because it just has to go now. 5 minute is 103.27. But it looks like it can go up to here, 103.40, if not more. Watching level 2 here. SPY's reversing a little bit. Good for me. Okay, selling out here. I don't like how there was all this volume here for reversal. Very nice. We don't know where it's coming back. Watching for a trigger on ones. Like the volume here. Okay. Showing some here. A little early. Anticipating the run. Took a lot of volume to bring it down. And having tight spreads, I'm going to move my stop to 43. So it hasn't quite triggered on 2s yet. Oh yeah, it has. It hasn't triggered on 5s, that's for sure. Okay, SPY is dropping. Let's see if this will follow suit. Okay, showing some more here. Okay, it's time. Showing some more. Break the space here. One more move. Gotta break down that 31. There you go. Excellent. Buying all here. Okay, I'm up 1,070.